In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a withdrawal method on Upwork. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and a few smart tips to avoid the most common hiccups. Start by opening your browser and searching for Upwork. When the results appear, click the official Upwork link. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the real site before you sign in. This helps you avoid phishing pages that look similar. Log into your account with your usual credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. It's a good idea to keep this on since you'll be handling financial information. Before you can add any withdrawal method, Upwork requires your tax information. Go to Manage Finances, then Tax Information. Complete the forms that apply to you based on your location and business type. Make sure the legal name and address you enter match your government and banking records. This matching is important. Mismatched details are a frequent cause of payment delays. Next, head to your account settings on desktop. In the Finances area, select Withdrawals, which might also appear as Get Paid depending on your view. This is where all current and potential withdrawal methods live. In the Withdrawal Methods section, click Add a Method. Upwork will show you the available options based on your country. You'll typically see choices like Direct to Local Bank, Payoneer, Wire Transfer, and Direct to U.S. Bank. Here's a quick guide to help you choose. Direct to Local Bank is popular for its convenience and often lower fees, with funds landing in your local currency. Payoneer can be helpful if you want to route funds to a Payoneer balance or card. Wire transfers are best for large amounts, but can come with higher fees and longer processing times. Direct to U.S. Bank is designed for U.S.-based accounts only. Click Set up on your chosen method and follow the prompts on screen. Enter your account name exactly as it appears on your bank records, along with required details such as account number, IBAN, or SWIFT BIC, and bank address where applicable. If you choose Payoneer, you may be redirected to complete the connection. Review everything carefully before confirming. One small typo can cause a failed transfer. After adding a new method, Upwork may place a brief security hold before your first withdrawal. This is normal. That's it. Once your method is added, you'll be ready to receive your earnings. Keep an eye on fees, processing times, and currency conversion, and you'll be set for smooth payouts.